Hey guys, welcome to this video. And in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can write an ad copy with this software you're looking at here. That's ChatGPT. Hope you're ready. Let's hop into it. So, guys, um, some of you have heard about ChatGPT. Not everybody may have heard about it, but some could have heard about it. So, this is a new software that came out, and it has a lot of features that can help you do. So for especially those of us that struggle with content creation, that sitting down to think of what to write as a creator, a person that wants to grow his brand on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, and other social media platforms, even Quora and Pinterest. This is a software you must use to help yourself build. So let's hop into it. So, guys, we're going to ask this software what it can do. Like, what is ChatGPT? So I'm just going to come down here, as you can see, and ask what is ChatGPT. So as you can see, ChatGPT it's a large language model that has been trained on a set of database and conversational text to generate human-like responses to what text input, and it is based on GPT, that's generative pre-trained transformer architecture, and can be used for various natural languages, processing tasks such as question answering, language translation, and text summarization. So, in summary of everything, it's too big of a grammar for most people that are here. So, I just want to make it easier for you. That's a way of transforming information that's been placed on the internet and repurposing it for your own use. So, one of the purposes of ChatGPT I guess to do is to write content, to write articles, to write blog posts, to write hard copies, to write even a book for you. So I'm going to be showing you most of these things in my frequent videos. So just don't forget to click the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's continue. So we are looking at the real estate niche, and we're looking at how can we write hard copy for real estate. So before we go into um, writing an hard copy, I want to just understand how to write hard copy normally before we go into using this software to write it. So let's go. So I have here three secrets to writing a good sales copy for real estate. So this is just my own hack, a mini hack I have, and how I write my own sales copy for those in the real estate business. So let's go. Number one, a hook. So one of the things you need to know about writing a copy is you need a hook. You need to help your customers understand the reason why they should buy a property from you, or why they should invest in real estate with you, or the reason why they should buy from you. And to catch their attention, you need a hook. So you need a hook to be able to catch people's attention. Something like words, especially around their desire, attention grabbing word that piques people's curiosity. So one of the things you can do is look for a problem you're trying to solve in the real estate market. Like basically you're trying to sell land, you need to look for something that a particular audience, a particular set of people, maybe doctors, maybe lawyers, or maybe even wealth managers like I've written here, can they have the kind of problem they have, so you're able to help them solve it. So the next thing we have is story. So you need to have a story or something compelling so that your audience be able to follow through. So after your hook, you move to your story so that your audience can be able to follow through. The reason why they should buy the land, what are the things they're going to get, what are they going to have, those are the things they're going to need. So that is that for a story. So you want to keep their attention so that they can have the attention that you have grabbed and focus on what you're trying to sell. So you have to keep that attention. That's why after a hook, you need something to keep them going. So you want to click the last button. And last thing is offer after a wonderful story. So you can get something like this as an offer. So an offer is what you give as a complimentary package. I will talk more about it in that sentence. So, and finally, is call to action, depending on what you are doing, a link to a website. So you get free clicks and then or to WhatsApp, depending on the strategy you are implementing for your business. So let's continue. I wrote down questions that need to be answered before you can write a copy. So let's have number one. Who are you talking to? Who are the people that are trying to help them solve their problem? Number one, wealth managers. That's what I gave. So, who are wealth managers? You need to understand who wealth managers are. And for me, I understand wealth managers are those that help people that have wealth manage their wealth. That's just the basic term of what wealth manager is. So the next thing you need to ask is what are their problems? So many of them may have how to invest so they can help grow their client base business. So question is these are the problems they have. So the question is what can my product do for them? If yes, list them. What can they provide them options for investment? So my wealth manager I'm targeting understands that I can provide them what they call it, a chance for them to be able to have options for investment. So the question, what are their purchasing power? Now, this is what are their purchasing power is more than 5 million naira. This is in naira now. So their purchasing can be more than 5 million naira or more than or $10,000. So this is not only for Nigerians, this is for those even in diaspora or those in the US, UK, and Canada, or wherever you are in Europe. This is just to help you understand a better way of driving, like better way of understanding your purchasing power of client, because this most people don't tell you this on online. They don't tell you that your client must have money, because at the end of the day you want to do business with someone that has money, not someone that is broke. So where can you find them? High class restaurants, first class travel, and so many ways. So these are the things you need to ask yourself before you write a copy. Do you understand? So this is just the basic form of writing a copy without a AI tool like ChatGPT. So these are the major things, major ones you need to ask if you're going to write a specific copy. So it could be either long or short. So you need to know that. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So now this is the real practical we need to be able to run an advert for Facebook. So let's say you're trying to sell a land, for instance. That's the first thing we want to start with. So let's write an ad copy to for to sell, actually, landed land, to sell land at, let's say, land in Korea. Let's use Korea for example, or yes, land in Korea. Let's see. So you can see ChatGPT already understand how to write a hard copy already. Because first of all, you can see it already has a hook. Are you looking for a prime piece of land in one of the most beautiful and rapidly developing countries in the world? Can you see that already? That's a hook already. Say, look no further. So it already gives us the template that give you a hook, a story. So we can see the story written. Look no further. We are proud of we're proud to offer a stunning plot of land in the heart of Korea. So I use Korea just for example, just make to see that it's not limited to just Nigeria alone. Even in the US, in the UK, Canada, whatever country you are, you can use this ChatGPT to you to implement what you want to do. So let's continue. So this land offers endless possibilities of development, whether you're looking for build residential property, complex, commercial complex, or even a cool tourism destination. This location is perfect and easy, and with ease access to transportation route and all the amenities you need. So this is just that. So I want to rewrite this for those here in Nigeria for now. So I wrote write an copy of land into Lekki. So let's see. So as you can see, it just gave me almost the same like what is in Korea, but this is different. And then you can see a pipeline that offers you possibilities of development, but it also brought out unbeatable easy access to Lekki Trade Fair, proposed new international airport, Dagote refinery, and other infrastructure projects. That's to tell you that your land is going to boom. And look at other things. So it makes it easier. I can tell it to make it short. So I'll just come here and type. Make it shorter. So as you can see, that made it shorter from this copy as you can see here to this. So let's do some other things. So add call to action. So you can see it repurpose what I wrote before in the previous one. I said make it shorter. So it repurpose what I wrote before, yeah, and made it shorter. So it just changed this whole idea to a way of making you not to miss out on this. So you can even add urgency or add urgency. So it makes people want to buy because people read these things. So as you can see, it has repurposed the same content that we have here and it's regenerating something different. So you see, this is wonderful. So just lastly, let's just do add emojis. So that's all. So you see why this AI tool is very, very valuable for you to use as a digital marketer or a real estate consultant or an agent who is looking to generate massive amounts of this. So you don't have to think so much of, oh, am I going to attract this client here? Am I going to write something that's going to cascade in? This tool is your gold mine to be able to generate content, to generate copies for whatever kind of property you're trying to sell. So as you can see, guys, so I want to do something different. So I'll comment in your chat and I start again. Then what I want to do now is to do something related to residential property, already existing building. So I can say write and add copy for a 5 bedroom duplex in Ontario targeted towards wealth managers. So guys, as you can see, it has written an ad copy for a 5-bedroom duplex in Ontario, that's in Canada, targeted towards wealth managers. So let's see some of the things that I featured in. So he said you should discover luxury living at its finest of our fight space. So he understands that wealth managers love luxury and ideal for wealth managers seeking spacious and elegant home. And this property boasts of high-end finishes. You see the kind of desire and touches. So this AI already understand how human being think. So you can see how it is using words that you have to sit down and think about to be able to create things that a particular audience likes. So let's do the same thing, right? And add copy for a, a semi-detached house, semi-detached house in, let's say, in New York, targeted towards doctors. So guys, as you can see, this has already generated me the copy I need. So attention doctors, upgrade to your living situation with a stunning semi-detached house in New York. And you can see all the other features it has, like a amp, natural light, perfect situation visualization after a long day of work. So he understands you to your problem. Do you understand? So I can just say last night this is heart urgency and emojis, because I want people to see it and feel the energy to be able to make a buying purchase. So as you can see, everything has been written perfectly. Attention doctors to make them create a buying purchase or show interest. So someone that is saying this with how fantastic it has been written makes life easy. So guys, that's it for this video. So if you are looking to work with me, you can just send me a DM on my Telegram, on my Twitter, or ID page that I'll leave within the link below. So see you guys in the next video.